Now we are going to learn about expressing the uncertainty, that is, someone or somebody. Let's check a sentence. Ram is going. Here in the sentence, it is sure that who is going, that is, Ram is going. Let's say someone asks you, Kaha gacchati, that is, who is going, but you are not sure about who is going. In that case, you may say somebody or someone is going. So this shows or expresses uncertainty. Uncertain means anishchit in Samskrutam. So if you convert this very sentence, somebody is going in Samskrutam, then the answer will be Kaschit gacchati or Kaschana gacchati. Both the replies mean the same. So in the first sentence, Ram is going, the answer was certain, that is nishchita. But in the second, it was not, that is uncertain, meaning anishchita. So there are two suffixes, that is pratyaya, Chit and Chana, which help to convert any kim roop to express uncertainty, that is anishchitata. So in these sentences, Kaschit and Kaschana are derived with Chit and Chana pratyaya. Kaschit is Kaha plus Chit and Kaschana is Kaha and Chana joined. Now somebody can be a male or female, so Kaschit gacchati is if some male is going, as we used Kaha. Kaha is used in the case of masculine. But now instead of some male person, if some female is going about whom we are anishchita, that is uncertain, then instead of Kaschit, Kaschana gacchati, it will be Kachit or Kachana gacchati. So here Kachit, that is Ka and Chit, and Kachana is Ka and Chana joined. We use Ka here for feminine. These were the examples of masculine and feminine genders. In the same way, for neuter, we can have sentence like Kinchit or Kinchana pustakam tatra asti. That is, a book is there, but we are not sure which book is that. So Kinchit is Kim and Chit joined, and Kinchana is Kim and Chana joined. And of course, here we used Kim for the neuter gender. So whenever there are situations where we want to express uncertainty, then we use the Chit or Chana. Chit and Chana both mean exactly the same. So either of them can be used during the conversation. All the examples we discussed were in singular forms. Let us look at a few dual and plural examples as well for all genders. If I want to say some boys were going or some girls were going, so in case of dual, it will be Kauchit or Kauchana balakau gacchataha for masculine, and for feminine, it will be Kechit or Kechana balike gacchataha respectively. Similarly, for neuter, if we have a sentence, some letters are here, but there are two letters and we are not sure, then it will be Kechit or Kechana patre atrastaha. Do not get confused, as feminine and neuter sentences have the same forms. It is just that their dual forms are similar. In the same way, the plural forms for the discussed examples will be, for masculine, Kechit or Kechana balakaha gacchanti. For feminine, kaschit or kaschana balikaha gacchanti. And for neuter, it will be kanichit or kanichana patrani atra santi. So this is how Chit and Chana have different forms according to gender and numbers, that is singular, dual or plural. Not only these, but also they have different forms according to vibhaktis as well. Let us take an example. Saha kasminshchit nagare vasati, that is, he lives in a city. As you may now know, we want to say in some city, and hence it is the Saptami Vibhakti here. So the form kasminshchit is of the Saptami Vibhakti. How? The Saptami Vibhakti form of kim is kasmin. So kasmin and chit joins to get the kasminshchit form. Instead of nagaram, if we take nagari, which is a feminine form of nagaram, then the sentence will be Saha kasyanchit nagaryam vasati. So as we change the gender, the form changed from kasminshchit to kasyanchit. Kasyanchit is a combination of kasyam and chit. This was the Saptami Vibhakti example. Now if the sentence was I am telling to some boy, then the Samskrutam will be Aham kanchit balakam vadami or Aham kanchana balakam vadami, because the Dvitiya Vibhakti form is kam, and kam plus chit or chana makes kanchit or kanchana. In the same way, I am walking with some girl, then aham kayachit balikaya saha chalami. So here we used the Tritiya Vibhakti by using kayachit balikaya. Kaya is the Tritiya Vibhakti feminine form. So kaya joining with chit gives us the form kayachit. One important point to remind you is that except for the Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti forms, all the forms of masculine and neuter gender are the same, and that applies to Kah and Kim as well. So if it is Harsh is going with some boy, we say Harshaha kenachit or kenachana balakena saha gacchati. And if it is Harsha is going with some friend, then we say Harshaha kenachit or kenachana mitrena saha gacchati. So the forms kenachit and kenachana will be the same, but the object or person it is applied to can spot the difference easily. As in the first sentence, the forms are applied on balakaha, that is masculine, and in the second sentence, it is mitram, that is neuter. As we discussed example using kah, ka and kim in this lecture, let us have a look at all their natural forms and then the forms with chit and chana. So for masculine gender, the kim roop are like this, where we have kaha kau ke, kam kau kan and so on. And if we convert these to chit and chana forms, then we will get chit form like kaschita, kauchit and so on. And for chana, we will have kaschana, kauchana, kasyachana, kasminshchana, etc. Moving forward, the feminine forms of Kim Rupani are Ka ke Kaha, Kam ke Kaha and so on. And their forms with Chit and Chana are Kachit, Kechit, Kaschit, Kanchit and so on. And we have Kachan, Kechan, etc. with the Chana Pratyaya. And the neuter Kim Rupani are Kim ke Kani and so on. And for Chit and Chana Pratyaya, it will be Kinchita, Kechita, Kanichita, etc. And for Chana, it will be Kinchana, Kechana, Keshanchana, Keshuchana, etc. So this way Chit and Chana are used with all the Kim Rupani. They can also be used with other Prashnavachakaha like Kutra, Kada, Kati, Kutaha, Katham, etc., which we will learn in detail as we proceed in this section. We have seen the use of Chit and Chana with Kim Rupani of Vibhaktis and genders. Chit and Chana can also be used with some of the other Kakaraha as well to show uncertainty. In this lecture we will cover two such Kakaraha, that is Kakarao, Kutra, that is where, and Kutaha, that is from where. So for example, if I want to say my bag is somewhere, here I am uncertain where my bag is or I do not know its exact location, then I say Mama syutang kutrachit asti or Mama syutang kutra chana asti. As you know that Kutra means where, but while speaking somewhere, we have to add the Chit or Chana Pratyaya to Kutra. So Kutra and Chit makes Kutra Chit and Kutra and Chana makes Kutra Chana. Let's take more examples. Rama lives somewhere here. Then it will be Ramaha atra kutrachit or Kutrachana vasati. We are not sure where he stays, but somewhere around here. One more example. I went somewhere yesterday will be Hyaha aham kutrachit or Kutrachana agachham. We can also have a sentence like did Sita and Radha go somewhere? Then it will be Sita Radha cha kutrachit or Kutrachana gatavatyauva. Or your books are somewhere in the house. Tava pustakani gruhe kutrachit or Kutrachana santi. So that is how we use Kutra with Chit Chana Pratyaya. Now let us move forward with Kutaha, that is from where. So when Kutaha is used with Chit or Chana, it expresses from somewhere. The place or location is uncertain here. Kutaschita is Kutaha and Chit, and Kutaschana is Kutaha and Chana joined. Let us take few examples. Arjuna is coming from somewhere. In that case, the sentence will be Arjunaha kutaschit agacchati or Arjunaha kutaschana agacchati. Harsha is buying flowers from somewhere. So it will be Harsha kutaschit or Kutaschana pushpani krinati. For example, there is a sentence that Neeraj brings some fruits from somewhere. Then it will be Neeraj kutaschit kanichit phalani anayatu or Neeraj kutaschana kanichit phalani anayatu. So that's how the uncertainty is expressed with kutaschit or kutaschana. In this lecture, we will see how to use Kati with Chit and Chana. Kati, as you know, is used for the purpose of how many, but to express the uncertainty of count, that is, to say several or some, Kati is used along with the Chit or Chana Pratyaya. So, Kati Chit is Kati and Chit, and Kati Chana is Kati and Chana joined. Let us understand this with some examples. Well, in this sentence also I express uncertainty of count as we do not know the number of examples. So this same sentence in Samskrutam will be Katichana udaharanaihi avagachama. There are several flowers on that creeper. Here, several shows the uncertainty of count. So the sentence will be Tasu latasu katichit pushpani santi or Tasu latasu katichana pushpani santi. Let's take another example. There are some rotis. So it will be Katichana rotikaha santi. Here also I do not have the exact quantity of how many rotis are there, but there are several. Few more examples. In that village, there were some people. Tasmin grame katichana janaha santi. There are some customers coming for the food. Then it will be katichit or katichana grahakaha bhojanaya agachanti. So that's how we use kati with chit and chana. Next we are talking about kada and katham with chit and chana pratyaya. Kada actually means when and katham means how or whence. Now to express sometimes or perhaps we use kada with chit or chana, that is kadachit or kadachana. Similarly, to express anyhow, anyway or somehow kind of situation, katham is used with chit or chana. So kathanchit and kathanchana are the forms we get while joining the chit and chana with katham respectively. Let us take example for both. Kadachit aham tava gruhe agamishyami. That means I will come to your house sometimes, or perhaps I will come to your house. Let us take another example. I see that girl sometimes in the park. It will be aham tam balikam kadachana udyane pashyami. Perhaps Tarun is eating food. It will be kadachit or kadachana tarunaha bhojanam khadati. Kathanchit Ramaha agamishyati. That is, anyhow Ram will come. Somehow he will learn. So here we are trying to express somehow with katham and chana. I can say kathanchana saha adhigamishyati. Or somehow I may come with you tomorrow. Then it will be kathanchit or kathanchana aham shvaha tvaya saha agacheyam.